Today we are going to interact with Tanushri Datta, who has made a big mark in her career in Bollywood, in her social services, where she was, what she's doing nowadays. Let's find out from herself only. So let's interact and talk to her, Tanushri Datta. Hi Tanushri, let me welcome you and say thanks to you for joining us. How are you, first of all, tell me?
Thank you, Neha, for inviting me on your show. I'm very good, thank you. And I'm looking forward to this interview.
And I must say, there's a big change in you. I mean, I can't see you fully, but as much I can see you, you look gorgeous. There is a big change in you. What happened? You need to give tips to me now.
Thank you. Well, I just wanted to get screen ready to come back on the big screen. So I started working out and I lost 17 kg. So this
Great.
is 17 kgs later.
How many months it's taken for you? Like,
Uh, it's going to be a year.
oh my God, a year of hard work. Good. So let's start, and we should appreciate that. And Tanushri, we all been locked down. Everybody must be asking you. And after long time, we are interacting. We are coming out. How was your time? What you learned, and how you been taking these kind of things when it comes? Okay, lockdown is happening. Coronavirus is happening. Personally, how you taken?
So I was definitely concerned when the coronavirus pandemic broke out, but I made sure that I was in the US that time, so I took all the safety precautions, and I was living in a like a mountain town. So in my town there was no coronavirus, so we could actually go out without much problem. And I was walking around in the mountains a lot. I focused on my health and diet and workout. Even though gym was shut, I was trying to do my workout myself because I knew that during the lockdown and pandemic, people tend to get careless about their health. So I didn't want to do that.
Tanushri, you were always like this, like from your childhood, that you want to be an actress, or you were always attracted to glamorous field. It just happened to you. Do you still remember? And in your childhood, you said, "Yes, I want to be this."
Well, actually, I always wanted to be a Miss India.
That
So
you
when
did.
Yes, I saw the beauty pageant in 1994 where Shishmita and Aishwarya they won the pageant and then they also won international titles. So that is when I was a little kid, and that is when I really wanted to take part in Miss India. I really wanted to wear a crown. So that was my dream. When I won the Miss India pageant in 2004, I represented India at Miss Universe and I placed in top 10. When I came back to India, the movie offers had started coming in already. They were calling up Times of India office and getting my number. Managers had started calling me and
Yeah.
saying, "Are you interested in movies?" And that point of time, I was little disappointed for not winning Miss Universe, even though I placed in top 10 and everybody was very proud of me with the way I represented India. But I was little sad that I had not won it. So I thought, okay, maybe this is a sign from God to make me feel better about myself that I did not win Miss Universe, so God is sending me movie offers. So I took it like that. I thought about it like that, and then I started signing movies. So my life took another transition from Miss India to Bollywood actress. And it was fun because I got to learn so much, I got to travel so much, and it was a life that I had never imagined for myself. Never, never in my life I had ever thought that I would become an actress and I would work with so many famous people, travel the world, go to so many places and make my family so proud. So I feel like I was very blessed that every time something came to my mind and something came to my heart as a desire, God, universe has always fulfilled it in time.
So you were watching, I mean, from your childhood, so many movies. Are you like a lover for
Movie.
watching a lot of movies? You used to do that?
Yes, yes.
Bunk your college
Yeah.
or school? You did that?
Yes, I used to watch a lot of movies because, yeah, I was actually a movie buff. Actually, to think about it, I never thought about it like that. I used to love watching movies. I would watch all the English movies on all these English movie channels. I used to watch the Hindi movies, on the cable channels and the, TV channels. Our town, small town, did not have too many movie theaters. So I'm from Jamshedpur. It's a very small town, very academic. We have lots of restaurants, but we did not have too many movie halls. So once or twice in a year, our parents and my cousins and uncles and aunties used to go to the movie theater to watch a big movie. So theaters may we watched movies like twice a year. That too after like fighting through the crowd, and you know how it was
I
like
know, I
back in the
know.
day we didn't have multiplex comfort and no reclining chairs. You had to fight to get the ticket, and you had to fight to get inside the movie hall. And then I remember we used to watch those movies and we used to be so excited. And throughout the year, I used to watch horror movies at 12 o'clock in the night.
Ammo, don't
Hiding
tell me.
my
12 o'clock at night you're watching horror movie. Wow. You're a brave girl, yeah.
because because mom would be like, okay, school time, tomorrow is school, you have to go off to sleep by like 9 o'clock, 9:30. So सब सो जाते थे घर पे, and then I used to wake up quietly at like 10, 10:30 and 11 o'clock something when everybody's sleeping, but I'm sitting right in front of the TV screen. TV को mute पे डाल के
And
I
you're
would
watching.
scroll through the channels to
Huh.
see horror movie कहाँ आ रही है. तो वही रात के 11, साढ़े 11, 12 बजे बैठ के 2 बजे तक और 1 बजे, 1:30 बजे तक I used to watch the horror movies on mute.
So
So
you
that was
don't
my
get
fascination
scared? I
for,
mean, night after that you go to sleep easily. What was your
yeah,
age that time? What was your age when you were doing all these naughty things?
um, 7,
Oh
8,
my
9, 10.
God, not bad. 7, 8 year girl, years girl, watching horror movie at night. Great. You're a brave girl, I must say.
Not even brave. I used to find it funny. I used to find sometimes the movies funny, but I used to get very entertained by the horror, I used to just enjoy it. And then I used to generally like watching movies in the night because in the night there's no restriction from parents, right? They've gone off to sleep. They
Yeah.
don't know what is happening. So, and they were innocent enough to not put a child lock on the TV. And maybe that time we didn't even have child locks, like
Yeah,
basic
right,
TV.
right, right, right.
So, so yeah, I used to sit and watch all kinds of movies actually.
So in childhood, have you done some naughty pana, like acting of some or mimicry of doing acting, or copying some dialogues of some actresses? Have you tried doing all this? You
I
remember
have
that?
done not copying actors and stuff, but I was very naughty. I used to do a lot of different kind of naughty pana. Like I had a habit of wandering around, I was from a small town, so mom and dad always told me we had a lot of restrictions not to go outside the house after sunset. We had fixed timing for playing, fixed timing for studying, fixed timing for TV. Everything was fixed, but I did not like rules so much. So sometimes I used to tell my mother that I'm going to the neighbor's place, and then I used to just go. And then she used to get so worried. And where am I? I am sitting in some puja pandal or in some temple or somewhere I'm sitting. Okay? Because I just thought in my head that I should go and go there. And I used to just walk and go. And then my mother used to get so worried. She used to send my dad on his bullet bike, go find her and come. Where has she gone now? So my whole childhood, my parents were only looking for me,
Searching for you.
hunting for me. My dad still says कि मेरे तो बाल सफेद हो गए तुम्हारे पीछे पीछे भागते भागते,
And yeah, exactly. And you're so independent. We can see you. And in your college days, like boys were behind you, and your parents are not scared. Arey, she will handle it. They have this kind of attitude. They were never scared. Arey, she will handle it.
My my parents, they still think I'm a child only because I think my parents were not looking when they cut the umbilical cord when I was born.
Okay.
Because despite me being so independent, I, left Jamshedpur when I was 15 or something after class 10. Then I went to Pune. I did my high school from there, 11th, 12th. I started modeling there.
No.
Then I moved to Bombay. Miss India happened. Even now, my parents, they sometimes don't have much confidence that I can live alone and handle myself.
No, you
Even
are
now, my
living
mother
your
tells
life
me,
with.
close the gas. Yeah, she tells me close the gas, don't forget to switch off the gas, don't forget to do this. And my dad has put an app on my phone so that even in America, they are sure where I am and I'm safe.
Wow.
Because they worry about me even when I'm in the US. And I tell them, I traveled so much. And I came to Pune, I came to Bombay. I lived by myself. Then you guys came and lived with me. I went to America. Why do you guys worry so much? They still worry.
That's
They still
parents.
think that maybe I'll not eat. Maybe I'll forget to close the door. One time, my mom thought that somebody will kidnap me in America. One, I don't know. My mom thinks strange things. Like one time, I went to Himalayas, to Ladakh, and I was studying some spiritual stuff, which we will talk about later. So I went there to a monastery. I told my parents that I'm going to a monastery and I'm going to stay there and learn, some meditation and everything. They all started crying, and I said, "Why are you crying?" So my mother is like, "You won't believe what she said." She said, "Himalaya is border area. The Pakistanis will come and kidnap you." And I just looked at her, why will they kidnap me? Like, they have nothing better to do in life than to find this girl who I'm not
Tanushri
even wearing
Datta
makeup in
targeted.
Himalayas. And yeah, like I would look like myself if I'm wearing makeup and all this glamour and dresses. But when I used to go to these ashram places and do meditation classes and yoga, I'm not wearing makeup. I'm very simple.
I know.
People cannot recognize me unless they're really looking at me and paying attention. I said, Mommy, don't nobody has the time to bother about tourists. And secondly, no, they are in the border, they're not going to kidnap me. I had to really convince my parents to let me go. My father thought I'm never going to come back. He thought that I'm going to find God there and then I'm not going to come back ever to them. So after 1 month, when I actually came back, they were so happy to see me. They were like, oh, thank God. So they are still like that. They still think that I'm a kid. They have more confidence on my sister than me. They think my sister is mature. She'll be okay. So they tell my sister to check up on me. And I'm older than my sister.
It happens. It
So,
happens.
like, my parents, so I don't know
The
what they
love, that
think.
is the love for parents for you, nothing, nothing else.
Yeah, love, little bit paranoia, little bit insecurity, because I think, because I used to, as a child, I used to run away so much, no? I used to
Yeah,
actually think and plan where I have to go. So I think they've just gotten very insecure. So
it's okay. I mean, that's a feeling for every parents for their daughters. So Tanushri, tell me, what about the Tollywood? We have seen you working with in Tollywood also. How you got your offer and you got attracted? I mean, you have love for Telugu movies, right?
yes, yes, absolutely. I think in India, if there is one film industry which is making really good content and very interesting content, and they started making it much before that kind of content was even being made in Hindi and other regional languages. So that is why I love Telugu cinema so much, because Telugu cinema was the first beginning of interesting and different kind of content. So I worked in a Telugu film. It was called Veerabhadra,
Yes,
and
true.
I got that offer after Ashik Banaya and Chocolate, my first two movies released in Bollywood, and the movies are very popular. My
With
look was being
Balakrishna sir, you worked.
appreciated.
How was your experience?
Yes,
You would like to share?
yes, yes. So it was a very nice team, and it was really fun working with Balakrishna. He's very funny actually, and he was really nice to me. He's very funny.
Hmm.
He told me so many stories of back in the day,
Hmm.
and he gave me like a really good idea of the Telugu film industry also. And it was really fun working with the unit, my producer, my director, the whole team. They were very nice to me. And I remember I put on 5 kilos after I shot for my first Telugu film, because everybody was so hospitable to me on the set. They were always feeding me.
Oh
And they
God.
said, Ma, you're so and I was a Miss India, right? So
Yeah.
after Miss India, I was like very skinny.
Hmm.
So everyone, every day someone would come and say, Ma, you're so skinny, you so thin, you have to put on some weight. Here, take. So, so I was on a diet, but then I thought, yeah, it's okay if they're calling me skinny, then I can have this one katori of kheer. Every day somebody will call me thin and skinny, and they would give me kheer or papad or rasam or chicken chettinad or
Wow.
something. So I thought,
Mm, so
see,
tempting. You must be missing that food right now. Huh?
yes, I had so much nice food that when I was coming back from the shooting, I came back home and I checked my weight. I had put on 5 kilos. And then I told my parents that no, this is the love of the Telugu people that is showing in the weighing scale. And then I had to work out and lose that weight. But it was a very nice experience, working. And I remember that. And that is why probably I love and have been following up on what is happening in Telugu cinema. And definitely, now that I'm ready to come back on screen, I would definitely like to come back with Telugu cinema because I remember having a very good experience working with
So
Telugu
first
people.
day when you met Balakrishna Garu, I mean, what he's told you? You remember on any one of his gossip thing, or he told you something?
I don't remember what he told me, but I was just new, so I was just looking around on the set. It was a huge set, and I had to come down the stairs wearing a birthday dress. So I was really worried about my dress because it was an off-shoulder dress and it was heavily embroidered and it was a lot of heavy embroidery. That was my first scene, my introduction scene where I come down the stairs and the camera pans up and looks at me all glamorous. So I was actually worried about my dress, my makeup. It was very hot
Hmm.
when we were shooting. Even though AC was on, I was still feeling hot. So I was worried about all these different things. And I just knew about him that he is like the legendary person, NTR, the politician and actor, his son. So I just knew that about him, and I had not seen any of his movies. But when I met him, he was really friendly. He was very nice. He had a positive smile on his face, and he made me feel welcome on the set. So it was good. And the director and the producers, they were all very nice.
And Atanushri, you've been always a brave girl. We just want how now you are taking your time and in getting involved. To for you, we've been knowing that you've been involved with some good social causes related to women empowerment. So what's now going on in your mind, and how you wanted that a coming generation who follow you, who wanted to be into this field, and they are not much aware. They need to take care of some things, and something should be done.
So I would
What?
like to say that I'm a Miss India, so I'm always living like an example for
Yes.
people, for boys and girls both. And I think that when I take care of my fitness, when I take care of my looks, when I take care of my life in the nice way, when I also live like a responsible person in the world, when I not only work, but I also find my own success and putting in the world, and I also do a lot of social impact initiatives. And I'm generally a motivational person. I like to give a lot of motivation to the young crowd. So I think my whole life is something that people, can learn from.
No, you are
Uh,
idle. You are idle. I'm telling you.
Thank, thank you.
Who
I
has
think my
actually,
spiritual
yeah.
journey has also added to my, it has added to my repertoire of experience. And my spiritual journey has also made me a better artist.
Yes.
I think now when I come back on screen, the stories that I would like to tell and the stories that I would like to portray on screen, the roles and the characters that I would like to portray on screen, I think a lot of that maturity as an actor and charm as an actor is coming and has come from my spiritual journey.
And ma'am, we just wanted to end up as we wanted to you to be very soon seen in Telugu cinema. We are just waiting that you should come with a big screen, and वो सिटी चलता है ना यहाँ पे, oh Tanushree ma'am is back on big screen and we want to see you in Telugu. So do you have any craze, or oh, this hero I think I should work, and or the director, is any priority list of yours, because you are in a stage where you can select?
Well, I don't really have a priority. I honestly I'm a very simple person at heart. I think simply, I feel simply. I like to work with simple people. I like to work with people who appreciate me,
Hmm.
who respect me, who like me, and who want to work with me. I don't like to run behind people who don't like me and maybe will not be that interested in working with me. I would always pray to God, bring me people who can see me for who I am,
Yes.
who have the intelligence to see me in many different roles and characters, and who also can bring the best out of me as an artist. As an artist, I'm hungry for growth and evolution. And I want to always grow and always become better and better and better. So I want to associate with people who can see that in me. you know जो कहते हैं ना कि हीरे को भी पहचानने के लिए जौहरी की जरूरत
जरूरत
होती है,
होती है, ट्रू.
और हीरे को हीरा बनाने के लिए तराश के हीरा बनाया जाता है. So as an artist, I would always want to work with people who are willing to put in that effort in me and confidence in me and faith in me, because I shine when I work around people who are peaceful, content, clear, intelligent, and creative, and very accepting, you know.
True.
So I would not say कि मुझे इसके साथ काम करना है उसके साथ, because I don't know them as people, right? I don't
Right.
know anybody as a person. So I don't want to throw that into the universe and actually get that and then be like, why did I ask for this? So I always throw a message into the universe that I want to work with good people. I want to work with people who can recognize and appreciate me, my talent, what I'm bringing, and humble, very humble. I like humble people, honest and clear. So that's when I also do very well, and that's when the whole project also, will have a good positive energy, and it will work for everybody. So I'm the kind of person I like everybody to benefit. सबका
True.
कल्याण हो,
Yes,
you know.
yes, true.
किसी का नुकसान ना हो, सबका कल्याण हो. So I am going to leave it open to see who comes to me with what, and
So now you're back. You wanted to be back. We can say you're open to the uh, offers. We can say that.
yeah. I'm considering offers from regional as well as like national.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, so there is nothing called national and regional because
True.
everything is on OTT. It doesn't matter what language you are working in. Everybody's seeing it anyways throughout the country.
True.
It's a good film. Doesn't matter the language, people are going to watch it. So the way I am wanting to select projects now is not based on language, not based on all that Bollywood, Tollywood,
Yeah.
Mollywood
Okay.
concept. I don't have that.
Just the
I've
content.
lived in America for so many years. My thought process and mindset has become very American. I'm very open minded. I want to do projects which are good,
Okay.
which people will like and watch. और लैंग्वेज का क्या है, सबटाइटल आ जाते हैं, सबको
Exactly.
समझ में
True.
आ जाता
True.
है.
True. True.
So I want to be very modern and futuristic about my life. One of the good benefits of spirituality is that it makes you very futuristic. It makes you very enterprising and open-minded enough to consider things and look at things in a very different way.
True.
Everybody else is functioning one way, but the person who can think out of the box and think differently, वो बन जाता है लंबी रेस का घोड़ा.
True.
तो मैं हूँ लंबी रेस की घोड़ी. I'll be around very very long, you know.
True.
So I'll be around, I'll be doing good work, and I'll also motivate a lot of people to, bring their best also from them.
And you will just end up, ma'am, this interview by knowing your 3 favorite songs, which you loved it, like, anytime. Tanushree's, ma'am, favorite 3 songs.
So my favorite songs, one is a song by Rabindranath Tagore.
Oh,
That song is called Akla Chalo Re.
yes.
Uh, so that song was also, I think, in the Hindi movie Kahani. They had put
Okay.
that song.
Mm-hmm.
That is the motto of my life. I have always walked alone. I have always felt alone, and I have always walked alone because I have always made unique choices in my life. I have never followed the crowd. So that song is my motto, mantra, you can say. The other song I really like is, you know what? There was this one song I was constantly listening to in Telugu. Nina, me nina, nina, na, 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 na,
Vaikuntapuram ka. Allu Arjun
na, na,
movie?
na, na.
Allu Arjun movie? Is it?
I don't know in that movie.
Okay. If you
The
tell
song
us.
went like this. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
मुझे song का नहीं पता, but you are sounding very good. The way you are sounding, it's nice.
Nilima something.
Okay.
250 million views or something I saw. So I listened to
Okay.
that song, and then I felt like giving it another million views. I
Okay.
liked the song so much.
Okay.
So that, and third song is Hotel California,
Okay.
English song.
Yeah.
Okay,
You have a good voice.
thank you. I'm a trained singer actually.
I wanted
My
to
parents.
ask, but I don't know you'll be comfortable of singing or ending up by your beautiful voice. If we can end up the interview with your beautiful voice with beautiful song, is it okay with you? I mean,
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
actually trying to think which song I should sing.
Always makes you happy, a song.
I think I can just sing that Tagore song because
Okay, done. Yeah.
I know the lyrics, and it's in Bengali,
Yeah.
so you might not be able to understand what I'm saying, but you will be able to little bit. So the song goes like this. It's written by Rabindranath Tagore
Hmm.
in many centuries ago. One of his most favorite and most famous songs, Akla Cholo Re.
Yeah, we
Akla
know
Cholo
that.
Re, Walk Alone.
Yes.
So here the song goes like this. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি কই কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা কই কথা না কয় যদি কই কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাগা কই কথা না কয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরোয় সবাই করে ভয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরোয় সবাই করে ভয় তবে পরাণ খুলে তবে পরাণ খুলে মনের কথা মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে তবে মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো রে
Wow.
একলা চলো রে
Wow, ma'am, you should be into singing also. We need to see you in that also. Really, I mean, the environment came so vibrant.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tanushri ma'am, for joining us and sharing your point of view. And we came to know more about yourself, your journeys as a childhood, your spirituality, and the new look of Tanushri ma'am. And very soon, I think I want to do one more interview when you're coming into Telugu cinema. So that words from my side and wanted to see you again.
Thank you. If
Thank you
God
so much.
wills, we shall have that soon. So here's thanking you for having me on your
Thank you
show.
so much,
And
ma'am.
I really,
Thank you so much, ma'am. By heart.
thank
Thank you.
you, Neha.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Neha.
So today we interacted with Tanushri ma'am, knowing her beautiful memories, and she'll be back soon in Telugu cinema. So that was a beautiful conversation and interaction with Tanushri ma'am. Keep watching ABN Andhra Jyoti.